Hello, welcome to Vidyanest. Uh, Today also a revision session is going to start. Let's start with the sum. You see, I hope the sum is being visible on the screen. Acha. Okay, so you are told to find the conjugate of this complex number. So first of all, if you want to bring its conjugate, first you have to bring its standard form. What is the standard form of a complex number? Z is equal to x plus iy. That is the standard form. But this part, this sum is not given with that form. So we have to bring somehow by simplification. See, here Z is given what? That is Z. Now, first of all, how to simplify it? Better you remove the bracket by multiplication and see the outcome. 3 into 2, 6 plus 9i minus 4i minus 6i square. Here 2 minus I plus 4i minus 2i square. What is I square? I square is, I is root minus 1. All of you know? Yes or no? I is root minus 1. So what is I square? Minus 1. So instead of this I square, I will put minus 1. So 6, 9i minus 4y is 5y, 2 plus 3i minus 2 minus 1. So Z is reduced to this form: 6 plus 6, 12 plus 5i, here 4 plus 3i. That is the one of the most reduced version of this Z. Now still to be simplified. How? 4 plus 3i is conjugate 4 minus 3i will be introduced in numerator and denominator. So in numerator you write 4 minus 3i, and denominator is also being multiplied by 4 minus 3i. So the numerator's multiplication will give you what? 4 into 12, 48 minus 36i plus 20i minus 15i square. And in denominator, you observe it is the product of a plus b, a square minus b square. So Z will be, I square is what? Minus 1. So 48 minus 15 minus 1 plus 4i, and here it is 16 I square minus 1. Therefore, the thing is reduced to 63. See, if you are not careful, there is a scope of mistake which that is applicable for me also. I have done the mistake also. 20i minus 36i. $63, 25. That is Z. Now you are told to find what? Just come to this question, conjugate of Z. So first you split it into two parts. Once you get Z is equal to 63 by 25 plus minus 16 by 25, or keep this minus unchanged, better. In finding conjugate, that will help. So this is Z. Now Z bar. Z bar means conjugate of Z. 63 by 25 plus 16i by 25. You observe, does it match with any option? Yes, with option 2. Hope you have got understood this.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Next sum, let's see. Next sum, by, if you wish, you can take polar form, or by anyhow, you first try. Spend 5 minutes for this sum. If you get, tell me how we have got. If you don't get, don't hesitate to tell me your difficulties. Just try. Okay. Try this sum. Are you trying?
Yes, sir, trying.
If you get stuck, tell me. Don't hesitate then. Do you need help?
Yes, sir.
See, better, it will be better if you proceed with polar form. What is polar form of a complex number? Z is equal to x plus iy. You know that it is a Cartesian form. So
Yes, sir.
its polar form, Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, how to find Z square? Then Z square is de Moivre's theorem. You are quite familiar with this theorem. The power of polar form, C, will become the multiple of theta. So this will become r square cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Okay. Now, here what is given in the question? Z square minus 1. So Z square minus 1 means r square cos 2 theta plus I r square sin 2 theta minus 1. So we could reach up to the stage according to the demand of this sum. Now what to do? Now what is the procedure? You do one thing. You separate the real part. and find its magnitude. Mod of z square minus 1, that is what? X square plus y square. We know if z square minus 1 is a complex number, so its magnitude is root x square plus y square. See, open it. So we could reach up to this stage. If I club these two together in bracket, what will be left? Separately, this will give you 1. So left hand side is like that. Okay, I hope you could understand up to this stage.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Good. Now, we have got the relation mod z square minus 1. Just now we have got this value. Just drag it and put here. Mod z क्या है ये? R. Now, what simplification is left for you? If you square both sides, it is clearly visible that r to the power 4 will get cancelled. From both sides, what can I cancel? 1 r to the power 4. And you will get what? What is left for you? See, we had z square plus 1. Okay. So, what is left for us? Cos 2 theta 2r square is equal to minus 2r square. That part will be dropped. So, cos 2 theta is minus 1. Cos 2 theta minus 1, by simplification we have got. तो -1 cos का क्या वैल्यू है? ग्राफ क्या बोलता है? ऐसे cos पाई, पाई में cos थीटा -1 होता है. So instead of minus 1, I will write cos pi then. Once you get cos pi, so 2 theta pi, that implies theta pi by 2. Theta pi by 2 means in a polar coordinate theta lies where? Theta pi by 2. When I taught theory of complex number, or somehow you are taught, then if this theta is 0, that means the point lies on real axis. If theta is pi by 2, then the point lies on imaginary axis. So here theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, point lies on imaginary axis. So, any option? Yes. With option 1, it is matching. Note down and you tell me, you observe whether your idea is clear or not.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am skipping to the next page.
Yes, sir. You can.
See, there is a sum which is referring the problem of permutation. There is a word m caught are arranged in a different possible ways. Number of such arrangement in which two vowels are adjacent to each other. Vowels are adjacent means what? How to put the vowels in adjacent position. That is the big issue. First you tell me, in this word, number of vowels,
P,
3. That is A,
E,
O,
O.
E. And consonants,
It is also 3.
3. That is M, C, T. Now you observe, among 3 consonants, how many empty spaces are there in which I can put that vowel so that vowels will come side by side. No two vowels will come side by side means, or no two vowels come adjacent. What is meant by that? No two vowels come adjacent or side by side means between two vowels there will be always a consonant. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there is one empty space, one empty space, one empty space, one empty space. In this 4 space, among 3 consonant in which I can put these 3 vowels so that no vowels will come adjacent. So there are 4 gaps in which we can put three vowels so that no 3 vowels are adjacent. No 3 vowels are adjacent. And So there are four spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in four gaps, three vowels can be four P3 ways. Okay. Now number of consonant is 3. Now 3 consonants can be arranged in factorial 3 ways. Therefore, total number of arrangement, see, with each of these factorial 3 ways, there are 4 P3 arrangements. Means total arrangement factorial 3 into 4 P3. Unitary method. With each of these factorial 3 ways, there are 4 P3 number of arrangements. So, with factorial 3 ways, factorial 3 into 4 P3 number of arrangements. So, total arrangements. Factorial 3 means 6. (144). Observe whether it is matching with any option. Yes. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Just go through this sum. First, you observe it is related to polynomial. Try to solve it. If you don't get, then I will help.
Okay, sir.
Have you gone through?
Yes, sir. The answer is -3.
Answer is -3. Good. See, I am also doing with you. We know if therefore then alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a. You compare it with ax cube, bx square, 3x plus d is equal to 0. That is minus b by a, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, c by a, alpha beta gamma minus d by a. Now, what is D? 9 minus 9 by A. A is what? 1. See? Yes. The answer. And A is what? A is 3. I missed out that 3. There is one 3. It is simple polynomials problem. Answer minus 3, option 2. Okay? Got the
Okay.
now you go through this sum. It is regarding complex number. First you attempt. If you don't get, then I will help. Have you gone through?
Yes, sir.
Can you proceed or I will help?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, try.
11 by 4 root 3.
11 by 4 root 3. There is no such answer.
Okay, so 1 minute, I am rationalizing.
Okay, maybe I am also doing. Might have some problem in answer. Can be happen. Let's see. Z1. Z1 is root 3 plus 2 root 2 I. So mod Z1 3 plus 8 root 11. So mod Z, we know another relation is given. That is mod Z2. So we have got mod Z1 and mod Z2. Now another relation between Z2 and Z1 is given, that argument means the angle subtended by the complex number Z2 is pi by 4 more, pi by 6 more than the angle subtended by the complex number Z1. So if this is Z2, this is Z2 and Z1, Z2, Z1. Z1 subtends one angle, Z2 subtends one angle, Z1 subtends another angle, and Z2 is pi by 6 more than Z1. Z2 is pi by 6 more than Z1. So between Z2 and Z1, angle is pi by 6. Now first, this is, you observe what is given in the question. A is Z1. So this is A. This is B. And join it. Triangle AOB. Triangle area of triangle AOB half magnitude OB, magnitude OA, sine pi by 6. Magnitude OB is mod Z2. OA means Z1. Sine pi by 6. Sine 30 degree, half. So half into half, that is 1/4. Now mod Z2 means root 11 by root 3 and mod Z1 is root 11. So I think your answer was right. Here this root 3 something is missing. Is coming 11 by 4 root 3. 11 by 4 root 3 is the area. But for I think that this part is missing some.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait for a while. This is 1 minute. Mod Z1, mod Z2 we have got. One minute. Z1 is this. Z1 is like that. So what is Z2? Wait for a while. What is the angle of Z2 subtended by angle of Z2? This angle is pi by 6. You see, observe. This is pi by 6, not the whole thing. This angle is what? Z1, we have got root 3 plus 2 root 2i. Already we have got this. Now, this is x plus iy. So, what is this angle? If this is x and this is y, all of us know that tan theta y by x. Tan theta is y by x, okay? So, what is y? 2 root 2 by root 3. Obviously, this is not a standard formula, standard value of tan by which we can get theta. So, theta will be expressed by 2 root 2 by root 3, that is theta. Then Z2, what is the angle subtended by Z2? Say this is phi. What is phi? Phi which angle? This angle phi. That is tan inverse 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus pi by 6. Okay?
Okay, sir. .
Now from here, what conclusion I can draw? How can I get the value of phi? That is a big issue. Pi by 6 you bring in left hand side. Tan inverse of this. So if you bring tan in left hand side, inverse will be wiped out. Now this part has to be expanded by tan a minus b formula. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan 30 degree means what? 1 by root 3. So this will be tan phi minus 1 by root 3, 1 plus tan phi into 1 by root 3. Now from here we have to separate tan phi. Understand? We have to separate tan phi somehow. So cross multiply, we have no other option. Root 3 tan phi minus 1, 2 root 2 plus tan phi into 2 root 2 by root 3. Bring all the tan phi in one side and all the terms without phi in other side. So take the LCM and see the outcome. 3 minus 2 root 2 and in numerator 1 plus 2 root 2. So tan phi has become root 3 3 minus root. So it is much more complex calculation. Okay, it is not a standard form. So that means this sum, if you do in this way, means our aim was to find the distance between Z2 and Z1. You can do this unless and until you get the angle subtended by Z2 with Z1. Unless and until you get that, then you cannot come to this conclusion that what kind of triangle is this. See, Z2 minus Z1 distance, Z1 we know, but Z2 we don't get. Z2 we don't get. Then and the angle cannot be found. So you can write it is, see it, one angle is lesser than 90 degree, pi by 6, and these length are not same because that is, see, first of all it is not matching with these two options. Area of the triangle 11 by root 3 not coming. 11 by 4, if it, printing not mistake, it is not coming. So out of these two, isosceles can never be. This side not equal. This side cannot be equal. So one option is left, that is scale and triangle. Okay. Got the previous sum?
Yes, sir, got it.
See, in previous sum you observe area we got 11 by 4 root 3. We thought that there is some printing mistake, but not that. 11 by root 3 is there, 11 by 4 is there. That means semblance of this answer is given, but not exactly so. Now we have observed that angle formed by Z2 with x-axis cannot be found. That is not a standard value. Okay, then how to find? Then you observe this length, and this is root 11, this is root 11 by root 3. This cannot be, an angle between this is also pi by 6 lesser than 90. So it is a scalene triangle, cannot be obtuse angle or isosceles triangle. Now you go through this sum. It is also related to complex number. Just see at a glance and proceed. Have you gone through? Hello. Are you trying?
Yes, sir, trying.
Okay. Any progress? I will help.
Option 4, sir, 8.
Option 4. Okay, let me check. Let me check. And you also see whether your method and my method matching or not. First of all, you see mod z is equal to 1. Now, let us take the help of polar form of a complex number. Z is equal to this. R is mod z. So, this is z. What is z bar? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Now, that is 1 given. Take the LCM. Z into z bar. Z is what? R cos theta, but R is 1. By mod z square. Now mod z1 given in the question already. I missed out that I. Now in this case, if you wish, you can use a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula, or de Moivre's theorem, as your wish. This is one. Here use class 7's formula, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square twice, a square plus b square. Now, where these two will go, I can get 2 out, and that can be kept with this one. Mod cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Now, here, how many solutions you can get? Let us draw it, let us get the solution by graph. You observe mod cos 2 theta. First, I will draw cos 2 theta's graph. Mind it, angle is not theta but 2 theta. So, you have to take the angle with the widerness of pi by 4, not pi by 2, because 2 into pi by 4 will give you pi by 2. Pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, and so on. Here also, minus pi by 4, now if I put pi by 4, see cos 2 into pi by 4, it means cos pi by 2, 0. If I put pi by 2, cos 2 pi, minus 1, this is plus 1, minus 1. The graph will be like this. Okay. Now, you take the symmetry. Here also like that. And so on. But here cos 2 theta, this is cos 2 theta's graph. But here you were asked to find cos for mod cos for 2 theta's graph. Mod cos 2 theta. That means in downwards that negative part will be positive then. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is mod cos 2 theta. That is equal to half. This is 1. You see in principal value right hand side, in how many, this is half, in how many points this line y is equal to half cuts the curve y is equal to mod cos 2 theta. How many points? One point is like this, another point is like this in that principal value. Here also other values will be repeated. Other values will be repeated. So there will be 4 solution, not 8. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
You have to consider the principal value only. In 4 points they are meeting. Other values will be repeated value. This value again, so we will not consider that. In principal value, that uh, cos 2 theta and half will meet with each other at 4 points. You observe this sum. First you try. I am just giving one hint. You have to use this property mod z1 minus z2 greater than equal to whole mod. Try.
Okay, sir.
First you try.
Option 3.
Try this. Any progress?
Yes, sir. Option 3 is the right answer.
Option 3. Yes, I think most probably okay. But still I am also doing. You check your method with me.
Okay, sir.
See. I will use that property. So using this property, we can come to this conclusion. Now, okay. So we could reach up to this stage. Now, how to find the value of this? This is inequality 1, I can assume. Now, See, mod z, you go to the question again. Mod z less than equal to 1. Now, you subtract 5 by 2 from both sides and take T by 2. Mod of minus, your answer is right. Good. So this is option 2. I can combine this. Your answer is right. From 1 and 2, we get this is greater than equal to this, and this is greater than equal to 3 by 2. So we have got, joining these two, so minimum value of P by 2. Option C. Your answer was right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just wait. Now go through this sum. It is related to binomial. You just observe this, then proceed. First you observe, simplify, and proceed.
Sir,
Yes.
I need a little bit of help.
Okay. Okay. This sum actually demands a little bit of simplification of this algebraic part. First of all, you see, in numerator, instead of x plus 1, you can write this thing. Denominator will remain unchanged. And in denominator, you see, I can write now a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube. Class 8, you are taught a plus b a square ab b square. And in this part, this component, I can do root x plus 1, root x minus 1. I can take here from x and x to the power half, So now this part cancel. Root x by root x 1, so the whole expansion is reduced to a simple expansion. Okay, so the at the beginning, the sum which looked very gigantic and tear jerking, right now has become so diluted. Now you observe what is told to find term independent of x, means in this expansion you have to find a term in which there is no x term contained. So you try in this way. Let r plus 1th term contains the independent term, that is coefficient of x to the power 0. Therefore, you find TR plus 1, 10 CR this is the r plus 1 term, means which contained an independent term, that is the x to the power 0's coefficient. But see whether you are getting x to the power 0 or not. See, here we have got some excess power twice. So we will club them together. These two will be added. Once I reach up to this stage, what we observe, that I had let r plus 1 term x to the power 0 coefficient but here I have got x to the power this thing. So this thing and x to the power 0 are same. This thing and x to the power 0 are same.
Yes, sir.
So according to the question, x to the power r is equal to 6. Once you get r is equal to 6, we are told to find what? Independent term. So this is 1, (210) is the answer. So which option is matching? Option 1. Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
See, if all words with or without meaning made using all the letters of the word Kanpur are arranged as in a dictionary, then the word at 440th position in the arrangement. The dictionary problem. See, here we can use a shortcut method, but see, if I use shortcut method now, hardly you can comprehend or catch the brilliancy of this sum. So I will do with conventional method. In later, if I in any other day, I will tell you one shortcut method by which you can do the sum in 1 or 2 minutes. And if you wish to see my video recorded in Vidyanest, then you will learn the mechanism of that shortcut method. Okay.
Oh,
See, first of all, you see the word Kanpur. My suggestion, you first try this. I will do, no matter. But first you try. That is a dictionary problem. The way you are aware how to see dictionary, here that concept will play the role. First you try. Any progress?
yes, sir, 1 minute. I'm not getting the answers.
Okay. See, according to the order which we maintain in dictionary to find a position, we'll proceed. See, first of all, in dictionary, everything will start with A. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, in sixth position, I will fix A. So, fixing A means all words starts with A will come. So if there is no repetition, if I fix A in the 6th position, how many position will be left for you? 5. How many letters will be left to be arranged? That is 5. So factorial 5 ways. So if I fix A, I can get factorial 5 ways to arrange the other letters. Now, according to the order of the letters in dictionary, after A, what should come? K. If I fix K, then also factorial 5 arrangements will get to fill up the remaining 5 places by remaining 5 letters. You can ask me why I'm considering all this factorial 5, because I have to find the position of a word which starts with P, but we have not got the starter as P. Now after K, according to the order of the letter in dictionary, what should come? N. Fix N, then also factorial 5. So using A, I will get total factorial 5 number of words. Using as a starter K, I will get factorial 5 number of words. And if I start with N, then also factorial 5 number of words. Now what letter should come? P. A, B, C, D, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now you get P. See, P is there in the required question in each case as a starter. Now, according after P, again, according to the position of a letter, what should get? What should I put? A. In how many ways? A and letter part, that is factorial 4 ways. Okay, P then A something, factorial 4 ways. So after P, all A's are considered. After A, what should I get? Because after P, we have to bring R, but between A and R, there must be one letter which should come, K. After P, I can put K, and if I put K, then also remaining 4 places can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. Now K is also considered. P, after that P, but P already used, so we can't take. So K, A and K are taken. Then according to the position of the letter after using A and K, P, R. R. See, in each of these words, first 2 letters are paired. So we are gradually going to incline to the final requirements. After fixing the first 2 place by pair, again according to the position, 4 places are left. In this place, I can fix A, because fixing first 2 letters as P and R, remaining 4 places will be filled up by how many number of elements? How many ways? Keeping A fixed in 3rd place. Then if you fix A, all terms will come whose 3rd place is A. How many ways? Factorial 3 ways. You can ask me why all the terms you are taking, because you see there is no element in required term where 3rd place is possessed by A. Now A तो हो गया, A के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? K. K is there? Yes. Here in these two cases, I can get, in these two cases, I can get K fixed in the third position. So fix that. P, R, K. 3 places left. Now once you get P, R, K fix, as the first 3 letters, then after K, what should you get? A. Again, order of the letters. Once you put A, then in next two position, what should you put? Already P, R, K are used. What are left? You see P, P, R, K, A are used. P, R, K, A used. Only two things left. N and U. See, till now we have, this is 120 calculation, 120, 120, 24, 24. See, with E, A I fix, K I had fix, then R. I think there is one mistake. P, R, A, P, R, A, then P, R, K, P, R, K. But see, now if I fix P, R, N, P, R, K, after that, but we have to get 440. We are not getting 440 by this calculation. You see, 120, 120, 360 and 48. I think it is 408, far behind than 440. So here K, using K, I have to get 3 elements more, because K is not our lookout. Factorial 3. Now with K all the elements are found. Now after K, N will come. N. One minute just. We have got PR with PA factorial 4, PK factorial 4, and PR. Once I got R, then I will be little bit cautious. PR, then one minute. Oh, second term is R. Okay. One mistake of mine. This part will be omitted. Why? Because once you get K and all the arrangement 24, after K, according to order, we should get N. Now I have to fill up this second term by N. then also factorial 4, 24. Now with n, all the arrangements are done. After n, r will come. One, I missed out by calculation one thing. Got it? Means keeping a fixed in second position, I got factorial 4 number of arrangements. So same thing would have been done with fixing k in second position, and same thing would have been done fixing n in second position. Now once I put r, then r, now third position will be occupied by whom? First, third position will be filled up by a, then factorial 3 will be left, number of arrangement, that is 6. Now with a, all arrangements you have got, keep fixing a in the third position. After a, what should you get? K. P R K. P R K is one of the option. Once you fix K, then you observe till now how many arrangements you have got? 120, 120, 360, 360 and 72, 432, 438. That means that 440s nearest position we have already occupied. Now once you get PRK, then next place should again be occupied by A, and once you fix A, then how many elements still left? This is up to this 120, 360, 438. Now I have fixed it by A. After A, how many elements still left to to get occupied? See here, PRKA used. What is not used till now? N and R. In the dictionary, according to their position, what should we put first? N or R? N. So first you put N, then R. That is 439 position. So R already used. Sorry. Already used. Then what is left? PRKA and U. Sorry. Mistake. U. So that is 49th position. So for 440th position, 39th position, K A U N. That is the position indicates 440. Does it match with any option? Yes. P R K A U N. Option C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Little bit confusing.
Okay.
This sum is. Just wait. Just we'll conclude the class with a sum of this type. Wonderful sum this is. See, it is given quadratic, but there is a trigonometrical value given with functional expression. So, with the given condition and two given conditions, there is no interlinked, no connection, then the question is, how shall I proceed? What is the way out? Actually, it is the concept of trigonometry. Just go through the sum at a glance. Hope you have gone through.
Yes, sir.
F cos pi by 7 is equal to sine now divide by 2, multiply by 2. Two sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. Here also 2 sin A sin B. Two sin A sin B. Now you observe, can we cancel any term? Yes. One sum directly cancelled, one expression. And another expression will be reduced after addition. Now, instead of 8 pi by 7, if you wish, you can write pi plus pi by 7. And instead of 6 pi by 7, if you wish, you can write pi minus pi by 7. So, 2 cos 2 pi by 7, cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta. So, minus minus plus. Cos 180 minus theta will be what? Minus cos pi by 7. So, again plus. So, whole expression will be reduced. I can take 2 common and that 2 will get cancelled with this half. So, Now I will let x. So this will become fx is equal to, that is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c. Now we are told to find f2. So the sum which was looked very tough, very gigantic, nail biting, but at the end we have seen that it never could maintain that toughness. It is so diluted. So f2 has become 2 into 2 square, answer is 9. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
So today I hope you could involve in the sums which we have gone through. Not that much of tough, not that much of easy. It is, little bit modest level, because if I do the toughest problem every day, which we are used to do, sometimes it will shy away from you. So my suggestion, if you see this year's JEE main question, it is uh, uh, not that much of tough. It is party type question, simple, very uh, uh, new concept. So not tough, not easy, sweetens our experience of the students who have come from the exam room. So you go through these sums today. We'll do some more sums based on this concept next day. Okay? And if you have any conceptual doubt, you can ask me without any hesitation. Till then, goodbye. Okay? See you in the next class with
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
more sums. Thanks.